Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, we have a cold weather advisory in place for most of the listing area tomorrow through Saturday.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see this Arctic air move in here. We've been talking about it for several days now, and the snow track is taking that track a little bit farther south of the area. We can't rule out that we might not see 1 to 3 inches of snow because this is going to be this Arctic air. It doesn't take a lot of moisture to produce that white, fluffy, dry type of snow. So we're looking at that 1 to 3 inch snow forecast for areas mainly north and west of, let's say, Oakley to Norton, down to the Sharon Springs line. You get to the south and east of that, and you could be picking up 3-6 inches, and you get down into south central Kansas, potential for 8 to 12 inches. There is a winter storm watch in effect for all the southern third or 2/3 of Kansas, pretty much south of I-70. The threat we've got to worry about, besides the really extreme cold temperatures for us as humans, is we also got our livestock out there, pets and animals, and then that wheat crop will be exposed to the potential of some winter kill with the warm weather that we've had since Thanksgiving. Today we'll start off with some sun, increasing clouds later this afternoon, evening. Winds will be from the northeast direction at 5 to 15. Highs will be in the 30s. Lows tonight will drop into single digits. We got that cold weather advisory in effect from tomorrow morning through midday on Sunday. So that takes in the entire Saturday for the entire tri-state area. Highs will be in the single digits to low teens. Lows 5 above to 5 below. 0 and wind chills are expected to go 10 to 20, maybe even as high as 25 below, which would be an extreme cold warning. Periods of that dry, fluffy snow we were talking about, the accumulation that we were talking about, mainly that 1 to 3 inches. Friday will be a bit breezy with those east-southeasterly winds blowing 15 to 25 miles per hour, so that light stuff will blow around with winds of that speed, dying back down Friday night and Saturday. And then we're looking ahead once we get past the Saturday time frame. This air will be slow to push out, and depending on the snow cover, our temperatures could be slow to warm. We're going to go lower 20s on Sunday, upper 20s, low 30s on Monday, going above freezing for Tuesday and Wednesday, back into the 40s. And then we got lows in the teens and single digits those days. And then we got another front that'll come through. It looks like Wednesday night, Thursday. It could bring us a little bit of light snow to end next week, but it doesn't look like a significant winter system.
Once again, that's ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.